Middleweight cruiser motorcycles, Scout Bobber 60 review, style, power, and control. Indian Scout Bobber 60 review, middleweight cruiser motorcycles, Indian Bobber style, Scout Bobber 60 performance, lightweight cruiser, best cruiser for beginners, Indian Motorcycle 2025, YouTube motorcycle reviews. When it comes to middleweight cruiser motorcycles, few names resonate with as much style and heritage as Indian Motorcycle's Scout Bobber 60. Positioned as a more affordable, lighter, and rider-friendly alternative to its bigger sibling, the Scout Bobber, this model has carved its niche as the perfect blend of style, power, and control. The Indian Scout Bobber 60 review starts with its stripped-down aesthetics. Inspired by the bobber movement, the 60 carries a minimalist look, blacked-out finishes, chopped fenders, and a low stance that screams classic American muscle. Despite its retro appeal, it delivers modern reliability and performance, making it an ideal choice for riders seeking Indian Bobber style without overwhelming bulk. At the core of the Scout Bobber 60 performance is a 999 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine that produces 78 horsepower and 65 lb-ft of torque. The numbers may sound modest compared to heavyweight cruisers, but in practice, the throttle response is smooth, and the torque is accessible across the rev range. This makes it not only fun in the city but also surprisingly capable on open highways. Handling is another strong suit. Weighing in lighter than many middleweight rivals, the Scout Bobber 60 is agile, predictable, and confidence-inspiring. The low seat height, just over 25 inches, and neutral ergonomics make it especially appealing as the best cruiser for beginners who want approachable power without compromising style. The stripped-down nature means fewer bells and whistles compared to high-end cruisers, no advanced ride modes or TFT display, but that simplicity is part of its charm. Riders praise its raw, mechanical connection, where the rider feels in command of the bike without electronic interference. On the digital stage, the YouTube motorcycle reviews community has given the Scout Bobber 60 enormous traction. Videos such as Indian Scout Bobber 60, Best Beginner Cruiser, and Living with the Scout Bobber 60 have racked up hundreds of thousands of views. Reviewers consistently highlight its lightweight cruiser characteristics, ease of handling, and timeless design as reasons it continues to stand out in 2025. Some channels even suggest it as one of the smartest entry points into the Indian motorcycle brand, allowing riders to experience premium quality without the intimidating price tag or displacement of larger models. What also stands out is the 60's adaptability. Riders who start with the bike as a beginner platform often customize it with accessories ranging from saddlebags to performance exhausts, transforming it from a sleek city bobber into a weekend touring companion. Conclusion: the Indian Scout Bobber 60 is proof that a motorcycle can deliver style, power, and control without being overbearing. With its approachable engine, minimalist design, and accessible ergonomics, it bridges the gap between new riders and experienced enthusiasts seeking a nimble lightweight cruiser. Backed by glowing YouTube motorcycle reviews and strong community support, the Scout Bobber 60 remains one of the most relevant middleweight cruiser motorcycles for 2025, a machine that stays true to its roots while inviting more riders into the Indian motorcycle family.